Welcome to HSM Tech. Today we are learning about the Redux Toolkit in MERN stack using Node.js, Express, MongoDB and React. Here's the demo of the project and we have 4 pages: home, login, register and profile. You can see profile is unauthorized. You have to log in before to go to this page. So we visit this repository. You can download the code by downloading zip and extract the code from it. After that you can see the further details of this project. Open this code in VS Code. You can see the demo here. It has complete authentication and validation. For authentication in this project we have used user authentication for the JWT token and store the token in the local storage of the browser. First of all, you have to create a new file of the .env and paste the code from GitHub repository. Change the URI of the MongoDB and replace the localhost DB URI. And you can name JWT token anything you want to write. So we have replaced the URI of MongoDB, and you have to change the path so we can use environment variables in this project. You have create of the .env file and have to use by giving the complete path to access this file. So backend and /env. Now you have to install the packages. So first of all, in the parent repository you have to write npm install and then change the directory in go to frontend and then npm install. So waiting for the installation of the complete node modules packages, npm packages, and after that you have to visit the MongoDB localhost, or you can create on cloud and paste the URI in .env file for the MongoDB URI, or you can use localhost MongoDB campus. Here is the DB file and the user controller having this user registration, user login, complete authentication and authorization. Here the user model, we have 3 or 4 fields. Auth middleware for handling the user, for user authentication using the JWT token. Our server is running by npm start on localhost and waiting for the downloading of the npm packages. Here you can see the MongoDB localhost on MongoDB campus. After running our server, you can see my DB is the name of the DB we write in .env URI. You can open the folder of users, and now it is empty because we have not created any user yet. Here is the file of user routes. 3 routes we have: register, login and profile. So our front end package is installed, and now we have to start our React app by writing npm start in the front end subfolder. So we are using Redux Toolkit having slices and the actions. You can also install the extension of the Redux, so you can see how actions are performed and what responses are you getting after your API call. 304 actions, user registration, user getting user details, and user login. Here are the screens: home screen, login screen, and profile screen, registration screen. Having complete authentication on front end and back end as well. Our app will start and you can see localhost on the port 3000, and you can see first of all register a new user here. Register successfully. You can see here are the three states: pending state and the fulfilled if successfully done API, and then rejecting if error occur. You can see response of the complete user detail we are getting back from the API call. In the local storage, you can see our JWT token we have generated is stored here. It is a unique token for every user stored in local storage, and we are successfully logged in, and you can access your profile private route. Here is the complete detail of the user, and if you are logged in, you can not go again to login page without logout. And in the MongoDB you can see our user details, and it is a complete demo of the Redux Toolkit. Thank you for watching our video.